Hello, pioneers. For years we've tapped our phones, built our circles, and watched Pi grow from an idea into a global community. Now our patience is about to pay off with a powerful new chapter. Mark your calendars for March 12, 2026, the day the Pi network launches its own native decentralized exchange, or DEX. This is the most important upgrade since mainnet, moving Pi from something you hold to something you can use, trade, and leverage. For the first time, you'll be able to trade Pi directly with others on our blockchain. No third-party platforms, no outside control. This is our exchange, built for our community, powered by our technology. The DEX opens up a world of possibilities for ecosystem tokens, new apps, and real utility for Pi. It's the fulfillment of Pi's core promise, a decentralized, accessible, and useful digital currency. As we stand on the brink of this new beginning, get ready for the incredible journey ahead. The future of decentralized trading is here, and it's built by us, for us. So, what is a DEX? Let's break it down. Imagine a marketplace where you trade directly with others. No middleman, no company holding your funds. Centralized exchanges act as that middleman, but a DEX runs on the blockchain, using smart contracts to execute trades automatically. You stay in control of your Pi until the trade happens. It's peer-to-peer, secure, and transparent. The DEX lets us trade Pi for other ecosystem tokens, powering a vibrant internal market. New apps and projects can issue tokens, and pioneers can invest, support, and trade them freely. This is the engine that drives real demand and utility for Pi. With the DEX, Pi moves beyond speculation into real-world use. You can swap Pi for tokens that unlock games, apps, or services from our growing network of merchants. It's about creating a circular economy where Pi is always moving and generating value. The DEX is the heart of this new economy. The Pi DEX gives you true peer-to-peer trading freedom. No more trusting a company to hold your assets or execute trades fairly. With the DEX, you keep full control. Your Pi stays in your wallet until the trade is complete. Transactions are atomic. They either happen fully or not at all, governed by blockchain code. This model eliminates the risks of centralized exchanges and makes hacking far less likely. Assets are distributed across millions of wallets, making the network resilient and secure. The DEX transforms Pi into a real medium of exchange, not just a number on a screen. It empowers over 148,000 merchant locations and 300+ ecosystem apps to launch their own tokens and services. More apps and tokens mean more trading, which increases Pi's utility and value. The DEX creates a powerful feedback loop: more use, more value, more growth. This is decentralized finance, built for everyone. The future of Pi is in your hands. Get ready to trade on your own terms. The Pi DEX launch is the result of major infrastructure upgrades. The critical update to version 19.9 was completed by over 421,000 mainnet nodes. This overhaul aligned Pi's blockchain with the Stellar Consensus Protocol, boosting speed and scalability. Now the network can handle thousands of trades per minute, crucial for a busy DEX. The upgrade also sets the stage for advanced smart contracts and Protocol v23, coming soon. Developers will have powerful tools to build apps that integrate directly with the DEX. Our ecosystem is thriving, with over 300 live apps and millions of KYC-verified users. Each piece, nodes, apps, users, was essential for a successful DEX launch. This careful, phased approach ensures the DEX will thrive from day one. We're building a foundation for long-term growth and innovation. The Pi network is powered by a massive, engaged community, over 35 million pioneers worldwide. More than 17.7 million have completed KYC and migrated to mainnet, ready to use the DEX. This large, verified user base keeps our network secure and free from bots. Over 421,000 active nodes contribute to decentralization and security. 148,000 plus merchants already accept Pi, showing real-world adoption. 111 million Pi staked by users signals strong belief in the project's future. Only about 9.4 billion Pi are in circulation out of a 100 billion max supply, ensuring stability. Market cap is already over $1.6 billion with huge growth potential. These numbers aren't just stats, they're the foundation of Pi's future. Our community is ready to build the next chapter. Trust is everything in crypto, and Pi is raising the bar with the PIRC1 framework. Projects must have a working app before issuing a token on the DEX. No empty promises, just real utility. Developers must build first, then launch a token, ensuring only genuine projects make it to the DEX. This filters out scams and low-effort projects, shifting focus from speculation to real value. When you see a token on the DEX, you know it's backed by a real product or service. PIRC1 also introduces a new liquidity model. Your Pi goes into a permanent liquidity pool, not to developers. This aligns developer incentives with long-term success and price stability. There's always liquidity for trading, and the whole community benefits. It's a system designed for sustainable, healthy growth. With PIRC1, the DEX is a safer, more trustworthy marketplace. Liquidity pools are the backbone of the Pi DEX. They ensure you can always trade Pi for ecosystem tokens, even if no one else is trading at that moment. Pools are funded by locking Pi, creating deep, stable liquidity and preventing wild price swings. This technical design is matched by Pi's robust KYC system, verifying every user's real identity. KYC keeps the network safe from fraud and manipulation, making Pi a transparent, accountable ecosystem. Pi's KYC tech is so advanced, it's now offered as a service to other businesses, while fiercely protecting user privacy. Pi's commitment to compliance is clear, with MiCA white paper submitted to European regulators. We're building a legitimate global financial ecosystem. Security and trust are at the core of everything we do. As we launch the DEX, it's important to understand the risks. Only about 9.4% of Pi's total supply is in circulation. More releases could affect price over time. Adoption and liquidity are key. If trading is low at first, prices may be volatile. That's why our 17.7 million KYC verified pioneers are so important. The DEX's success depends on our collective participation. Strong adoption could drive Pi's price up, with some analysts projecting 24 to 56 cents by mid-year. The DEX turns Pi from a passive asset into an active one, increasing its economic value. The balance between risk and reward comes down to adoption. The tech is ready, the user base is here, and the framework is solid. Now it's up to us to trade, explore apps, and build this new economy. Every trade strengthens the DEX and the network. We are the engine of Pi's future. The Pi DEX launch is just the beginning. Next up, validator rewards, rolling out by March 31st, 2026, to further secure the network. This incentivizes decentralization and on-chain participation, making Pi even more robust. The focus will shift to accelerating new apps and utilities, with better tools and resources for developers. Expect a wave of new social, gaming, and financial apps, all integrated with the DEX. Each new app adds more reasons to use Pi, fueling growth and adoption. The ultimate goal: make Pi a currency for daily life, from coffee to digital services. Expanding the merchant network and KYC process will bring even more users into the ecosystem. The DEX is our launchpad. Now it's time to build the future of money together. Stay engaged, pioneers, and help shape what comes next.